Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok not working. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok not working, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to Forcestop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors or problems on your TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye. Sorry, goodbye.